Asus just released a new update that adds facial recognition to the Zenfone Max Pro. The feature was talked about at the launch, but until now we had no way of testing it out. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas and you're watching the facial recognition comparison of the Zenfone Max Pro and the Redmi Note 5 Pro on RevAtlas. The Max Pro and Note 5 Pro both have a similar setup for facial recognition. They both make use of their front-facing cameras and don't have any other fancy hardware like the iPhone X for authentication. Both brands also make sure to have a disclaimer stating that the face unlock feature isn't that secure as other methods of authentication, so the users need to be wary. Adding a face is pretty easy. All you need to do is go into the facial unlock settings, align your head within the frame, and a quick second or two, it's registered. The face unlock requires you to wake the phone by pressing the power key on both and then subsequently unlocks after detecting your face. We did a side-by-side comparison of both the phones and it seemed like the Note 5 Pro was a bit slower compared to a Max Pro in terms of unlocking speed. The Note 5 Pro also faced this issue when compared to the likes of the Oppo F7 and P20 Lite, which is a result of the animations being used while unlocking too. The Max Pro was a bit quicker, but the difference isn't too much. However, when it came to the low light face recognition, the Zenfone Max Pro didn't budge and we had to resort to other security measures to unlock the phone. We even tried raising the brightness further to see if the light falling on the face was the reason, but even at max brightness, the Max Pro didn't unlock, while the Note 5 Pro unlocked even at a lower setting with ease. The Max Pro may require some fine tuning, so maybe with future updates it'll get better, so please do stay tuned for that. Since this is a new update, we also wanted to compare the fingerprint scanning speeds on both, and it seems like not much has changed with the new update as Zenfone Max Pro is still a bit slow on that front and falls short of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. That's it for this video guys. We'll include a purchase link for the smartphones in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.